In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download SKETCHUP completely free and 100% legal. The first thing we're going to do is to open Google and search for SKETCHUP. We're going to click on the first result and we're going to go where it says Try SKETCHUP. That will allow us to activate a 7-day free trial by clicking where it says Start Trial. Here, it will ask you to create an account. We're going to sign in this case with Google, and we must select the account we want to sign in with. And also sign in with Tremble Identity. Finally, before your test begins, you must answer these questions. For example, I'm going to select Education, and here I'm going to select Technical Schools, and then I'm going to click on Continue. And I'm going to choose Others in this case, and then click on Continue. And now you have to type in the name of your company, the size, the job you do on that company, and the country or region. And finally, when you finish completing all of this information, you will be able to start a trial for 7 days with SKETCHUP. Well, if the video was helpful, please like, share and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. See you on the next one!